For you to improve your body composition, there are some tools you need. Now, some people can succeed without these tools, but most of them already have the results they want. If you do not have the results you want, then you need to consider them. Tool number 1 is a tape measure. This is very important. You use it to measure your waist. Your waist measurement can give you very important information. For an example, if your waist is getting wider, it means you are gaining fat. If your waist is getting narrower or smaller, it means you are losing fat or weight. The second important tool is a kitchen weighing scale. This is very important because before you know the amount of calories you're going to consume, you first need to know how much that food weighs. Very important. The third tool is very important, and this one is a diet tracking app. We have very many options there, but I would recommend MyFitnessPal or MyNetDiary. I use MyNetDiary. The fourth important tool is a weighing scale. This one is important because we weigh different during different parts of the day. How much you weigh in the morning is not how much you're going to weigh at noon or at night. You need your own because you need to be weighing yourself at the same time every day. The best time to weigh yourself is in the morning after you wake up, before you eat or drink anything. Then after every 7 days, you take the average. That is your real weight. During the week, it will always fluctuate. Like I said, it is very important, but it is not as important as the other three. If you cannot get it now, it's okay, you don't need it, but start planning to acquire it. The fifth tool you need is anything you can use to take notes, because when you're working out, you need to track your workouts. You can use spreadsheets, the note app in your phone, you can carry a book, you can use anything that is going to help you for you to know where you are now and where you want to go, and you can see your progress. I use Google Spreadsheets to track my workouts, and I recommend that one. The last important tool you need is a gym membership. Please do not try to lose weight using this style of counting calories without working out with heavy weights. Heavy weights are very important, and they are the reason why your body is going to grow or maintain muscle while losing fat. If you go into a caloric deficit and you're not working out with heavy weights, your body will not have a reason to keep those muscles. You're going to lose both fat and muscle, and you will not look good. Please make sure you're working out with heavy weights.